Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Deepseek. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.